Hi, boys and girls. I have my deck of cards, and I'm ready for a little math. Now, Miss Red's deck of cards has a lot of cards, no face cards. I'm not sure it's a full deck. It doesn't matter. You don't have to be playing with a full deck all the time. So you're going to need a deck of cards without the face cards, and you're going to need your +1 game board. Okay? Playing +1, it says. I'm going to put it up here so you can see. Now, we're going to do this game today, and hopefully you'll have time to get on happy numbers. I do not want to rush anyone, but I think it would be so great if most of us could get to be to the first grade level so that this summer you'll know you're all set to start first grade in the fall. So I'm just going to give you a little extra time each day for anyone who needs that time to catch up. But boys and girls who are already working at a little higher level, it's okay for you to get on too and try it. Or you can play some of the games we've played before, like the Make 10 game or plus minus with the cards, just to practice your skills. So even though it's kind of a quick page, make sure that you're doing the best you can. So let's see what happens here. On our paper, you have a spot to practice writing your name, because you want to do a good job with that always. And then it shows here that they have flipped a card. What card did they flip? 3. And it says 3 + 1 equals... You can do that, can't you? So on that spot, you are going to use your pencil to put in the number 4. And boys and girls, remember how we learned to make our numbers. I want you to see how you can work at fitting them in there. That's why when they make lines like this, with a line at the top, a dotted line in the middle, and another line, they want you to see if you can fit it in there the right way. So give it a try. Now comes the fun part. You get your deck of cards and you get them all mixed up really good. I used to like to just spread them out all on the floor and mix them up. Now I like to shuffle them so they're all different, because if you get two the same, probably you should try to flip another one. So ready? If I flip my card, look what I came up with. The number is 9. Now you have an option here. You could just write 9 here. If you know that 9 + 1 equals 10, very good. 1, 0. And I'm going to show this to you closer so you can see how I fit it in the lines. There's another way you can do it too. So I'm going to put my card here, and I'm going to flip the next one. Oops, it's a 3. I think I'm going to flip another one because we just did 3. So I'm going to check. Ooh. This time it's a 7. Now, I could just write 7. If you look at that and you know what the answer is, you could just write 7. But if you want to, you could also make the dots. 3 on this side, 3 on this side, and 1 in the middle. So that's 7 too. 7 + 1 equals 8. Ooh, 8's harder to fit in the lines. Make an S and do not wait. Climb back up to make an 8. So let me bring it a little bit closer so you can see. So you have some options. You can write the number, or you could make the dots so it matches the card. Right? You know how to make a 5 card. These already have the numbers on them, so you could just write 5 + 1 equals. Let's see. I'm going to keep going. Oh, we just did that. 5 + 1 equals. I hope you said 6. It's the next number. 8 + 1 equals 8, 9. Just like counting. Good for you. 2 + 1 equals 3. So boys and girls, moms and dads are going to help you to decide what you should be doing today. I'd like you to do this board work. Finish this paper. And if your mom and dad sees that you did it really, really quick, was really, really easy for you, they may say, let's go on to happy numbers and see if we can finish this year up in a good way. Your mom and dad might see you do this and say, wow, that was really easy, but we've kind of done all the happy numbers. How about if we practice making 10? because that was a little bit trickier for you. So as we get closer to the end of the year, I am going to depend a little bit more on moms and dads. I will always have a lesson for you to do, but there will be days when, you'll have to make the call for your child, and just send me an email and let me know how that goes, all right? I would love to get them all up there, up into the first grade level, and so many are this close. So I want to make sure you have time to do that, and I want to make sure you have time to get outside because it's beautiful. Maybe you could draw a hopscotch and put the numbers in there. That's math. Maybe if you go outside with chalk, you could write the equations. There's lots of ways to do math. So this is a short video. Use your time wisely. Get smart. You can do it. And I'll talk to you soon.